While we live in the golden age of technology, where everything you need to know is just a search away, visuals still play a key role in content comprehension and consumption. While videos and images can convey quite a lot of information, not all of them can accomplish what mediums such as flowcharts can. Flowcharts have the unique ability to represent a streamlined procedure in a way that any layman can take one glance and understand everything they need to with ease. However, with cloud services, things can get a little complicated sometimes, which is why we are here to take away your troubles. Here's how you can easily make creative and attractive flowcharts through eShare.ai, your data luggage partner. What are the steps to create a flowchart? There are multiple formats from which you can create flowcharts. Here's how to create your ideal flowchart, including documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. Step 1. Sign into your eShare.ai account. Sign up if you don't already have an account. Step 2. Create your desired format, like documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and others. Step 3. Go to the Inset section in the toolbar. Step 4. Now find the SmartArt option available in the toolbar. Step 5. Select from more than 20 styles of flowchart designs to create for your content. What are the different designs of flowcharts in eShare.ai? Based on thorough market research and feedback from users such as yourself, we have developed 1. List, organize and present information with ease using this customizable list feature. It is perfect for showcasing a series of items, key points, or step-by-step instructions in a clear and structured format, making your data stored in the cloud easy to follow and understand. 2. Process, easily visualize step-by-step workflows with this customizable process diagram. Tailored to showcase each stage clearly and organized, ensuring smooth comprehension and professional presentation. 3. Cycle, display continuous processes or repeating patterns with this eye-catching cycle diagram. Perfect for illustrating loops, cycles, or recurring steps in a circular format that's easy to understand. 4. Hierarchy, present organizational structures or rank-based systems effortlessly with this hierarchy feature. Whether you're showcasing management levels or tiered processes, this diagram offers simple, clean customization for your needs. 5. Relationship, use this intuitive relationship diagram to showcase connections, dependencies, or correlations between elements. It is excellent for emphasizing links between concepts, departments, or data points. 6. Matrix, this highly customizable matrix highlights comparisons or relationships between different sets of data. It is ideal for contrasting features, categories, or characteristics across 2 or more dimensions. 7. Pyramid, communicate progressive layers of information using this striking pyramid diagram. They are designed to present top-down structures or layered processes with clarity and ease. 8. Picture, this picture feature enhances your presentation with visuals. Add images or graphics alongside your information to create a more engaging, visually appealing display. 9. Others, need something out of the box? Explore a range of other customizable options designed to fit your unique needs. From Venn diagrams to custom charts, the possibilities are endless. Visual elements, such as documents, Excel, and presentations, are crucial regardless of the medium. They play a key role in how the individuals looking at your work are comprehending what you create. Therefore, giving it your all with all formats of content, from images to videos and flowcharts, is all your tool while you create digital content. This is why we have our platform to ease burdens you face each day. We have created a holistic platform that allows you to create visuals in OCS, spreadsheets, presentations, and much more. Want to know more about how we create a sustainable digital ecosystem? Sign up and experience the wonders of eShare.ai today.